Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. I have a bonus for you today. Hey, if you're new, I want to welcome you. I am so glad that you are here. I hope that you will subscribe if you enjoy unboxings and women's clothing. Those are the videos that I make here, so please join us here at the Kelly Shaffner channel. Today, guys, my little bonus is Thread Tank. Thread Tank is a graphic t-shirt company, and they're all about telling a story, wearing your story on your shirt. Thread Tank did reach out to me and ask me if I would like to try a couple of their t-shirts in exchange for an honest review. I said, of course. I always enjoy sharing a new product, a new company with my viewers. And guess what? This is a US company out of California. Their tees are very, very affordable. So let's see what the quality is like, and we'll talk about these tees. Let me show you my Stitch Fix. Okay, here is my Stitch Fix. Yeah, you're looking at it just like I'm looking at it. It's actually opened. I am confident that this is not Stitch Fix. This is probably something that happened in transit. Fingers crossed. Everything in this box is okay, but yeah, it is beat up. Okay, back to Thread Tank. Let's open this up and check out our tees. There is a postcard, and it kind of details what their mission is. Their mission is kind of to help us tell our story through the graphic tee. I did put in my order for 2 different tees. I asked them to send them in different colors, so they sent one in a heathered gray and one, this is almost a heathered charcoal color. I want you to stick around to the try-on to hear the stories behind these tees. Okay, here is the bundle, you guys. Everything on the inside of this box is just as torn up as the box looked. Let's just fast forward to the try-on because I need to check this box and make sure that everything that's supposed to be there is there. Blink your eyes and here's the try-on. So good news. Everything that was supposed to be in my Stitch Fix was there. I did get my mailer, so if there's anything that doesn't work, or even if I need to make an exchange, I will use this prepaid mailer, drop it off at the post office. It's very, very easy. I also got an invoice. Yes, this was enclosed. And I have to pay for anything that I decide to keep. The good news is with Stitch Fix, if you keep all 5 pieces in your fix, you get a 25% discount. We'll go over the prices in a moment. There is also a style card and a note from my stylist that gives suggestions on how to wear the pieces in this fix. All right, I want to start with the 1 pair of denim that are in this fix. I wore them for almost the entire try-on. These are 1822. These are the Skylar high-rise skinny jean, and they're amazing. If you watched me last summer, I think it was about last summer that I discovered 1822 denim. They are butter soft. I love them. I have them. So I really don't need these. These are $48, and I was able to pick mine up on sale at Nordstrom's for less than half of that. I am not going to get these, but I do sing very, very high praises. If you haven't tried 1822 denim, now is a good time. You can ask your Stitch Fix stylist to include them in a box. You will not be disappointed. They're a great price point for a more affordable denim. I like these. I just don't need them. Okay, the next top is by Luck. That's the label, L-U-Q. And this is a V-neck tee. I'm going to call it a tee because that's what it feels like. But the front of it is like eyelet, and the back is just like a knit t-shirt fabric. This one is sleeveless. It does have a tie front detail in the front, and it is longer, a rounded hemline in the back. I think it was a really good length for me. Even when I raised my hands, you couldn't see my midsection. I like the V-neck on this. This one is a rayon linen with some spandex in it, but it feels like cotton. And what I like about it is the eyelet in the front is very, very soft. I like the look of eyelet, but sometimes it's just too stiff to be comfortable. I think this one styled really nicely with my rust wedges. I like this one. This one's only $36, which I'm surprised that it's that low, to be honest with you. I think this one's a steal, and yeah, I'll be adding this one to my wardrobe. Okay, Thread Tank. I can't have kids. My dogs are allergic. Love this one. And of course, there is a story behind this one. And it's not true. I mean, my husband and I have 4 children, but we also have 3 dogs and 1 cat, and our children are grown and out of the house, and so our fur babies are truly our family and our babies. Okay, very quickly, the story behind this one is I have a girlfriend, and she is my girlfriend, and she would come and visit me at my house, and she does not like dogs or cats. I don't think she likes any animals. So when she would visit, she would ask me to lock my dogs in the bedroom so they couldn't get to her. And it was stressful for me because the dogs were whining and barking and they wanted out. My animals have the run of our home. So finally I told her, listen, you're at my house, this is their house, and I have to let them out. And she was okay with it. She was trying to relax and enjoy herself. But Elijah was curious and he was sniffing her and he licked her toe and she freaked out. Like she needed disinfectant wipes to clean her toe after Elijah kissed her. And then after that incident, she informed me that she was allergic to dogs. And so I have this t-shirt to wear when I see her next because she has children. She has small children who I absolutely love. But I do think I need to wear this t-shirt because I absolutely love my puppies. Okay, next piece is red. This is fun to fun. Guys, check out this neckline. I like that detail on the neckline. And this is the Afton tie sleeve top. And you can see that the sleeves have that tie. It's almost a cord. They also have a bit of a ruffle on them. I don't know about that. And this is a rounded hemline. This is a polyester blouse. It's the Afton tie sleeve top by Fun to Fun. It is $40. And I'm always happy to try another red piece, but I feel like this one looks like a lot of the red pieces that I have been receiving from Stitch Fix. I have a lot of red in my closet. It's my favorite color. I love adding red pieces. I just don't feel like this one is like special enough to add. Okay, my favorite piece in the Fix is a dress. This is 41 Hawthorn. This is the Mod Faux Wrap midi dress, and I like everything about this dress. It's a cross front in the top, but it crosses at a really good height. I don't feel exposed in this top, and even if you adjust it, it's still going to cross pretty high up. This is a faux wrap, and it is completely lined. I really appreciate that. So there's a lot of the flap in the front moves, but there is no risk of exposing yourself. I love that. There is a bit of a high-low hem on this one and a cloth belt. I like everything about this dress. It's $84. I am leaning towards keeping this one. 41 Hawthorn is a brand that I really enjoy. I think this dress is a very nice quality. It's kind of exactly what I'm looking for. I do have 2 more graduations to attend, and I think this might be absolutely perfect. It's fun, it's lightweight, it's not too dressy, it's not too casual, it's $84. Should I get it? I can't wait to hear if you like this one or not. The final piece in this Fix is a purse. This purse is called the Sarah Basket Weave Tote in Tan. It is by Moda Luxe. And this is what it looks like. And I'm not really even sure what to think about this. This is a faux leather, and it looks pretty funky. It does have the shorter straps like this, but it also has a long crossbody. The crossbody is actually attached to the canvas bag that you can sit inside of this tote or bag. There's no pockets in it. This has no structure at all. That's one of the things I don't like about it. I also think it's a little bit confusing. There is gold hardware, and I like that we do have the grommets to attach our strap to. This bag is $58. I'm going to send this bag back. It doesn't have enough structure for me, and honestly, I find it to be a little bit confusing. I mean, I understand how it works. I just think it's way too soft. For me, it's kind of cool. I mean, in theory, it's cool, but for my lifestyle, I don't think it would work out. So I'm going to send this one back. The total of my Stitch Fix, just the 5 pieces, not the 2 tees from Thread Tank, that total is $266. The buy all discount would be $66.50. So you see there, the buy all discount is actually more than the handbag. So if I wanted to keep the other 4 pieces, the handbag is basically free. That's how you end up with this 5th piece that you're not really crazy about. So that would bring the total down to $199.50. I do have some credit. Thank you very much to everyone that has used my Stitch Fix link. If you have never tried Stitch Fix before and you use the referral link that I leave in the description box below, you will get $25 credit on your very first fix. So it's a risk-free way to try Stitch Fix. So many of you have done that, and Stitch Fix then offers me $25 credit. Thank you very much. You make this channel possible by using my referral codes and my links. Thank you to everyone that has done that. I am leaning towards keeping the rust-colored top and the dress from this fix. I have a couple days to decide, so I will wait to hear your feedback and see what you think about the pieces in this item. Please join the conversation below in the comments. Before I sign off, I do want to share the last thread tank tee. This one says, "Be a kind human." Isn't that a super message? And you know what? I don't care for t-shirts that tell other people what to do, so that's not what this is about. This is a t-shirt that I need to wear so I can see it when I look in the mirror. Guys, the thread tank t-shirts are a polyester and cotton blend, which means they will not shrink up much. I tried my t-shirts in a size medium. I think they were a great fit. Hopefully they won't shrink. If they shrink, they're going to be pretty tight. You guys know I like my clothing tight. This is a very, very soft tee made in America. The cost on these tees is about $25. That is a super price when you compare to some of the other graphic tees out there. And this company is making lots of fun graphics too. They do a lot about coffee, which, yeah, I'm a big fan. I'll wear those coffee shirts all day long. They have a lot of t-shirts for us fur baby mamas. They have t-shirts about empowerment, t-shirts about faith, t-shirts about the mom life. There are so many. Anything that you might want to wear, I bet you can find it at Thread Tank. I will leave all the information about Thread Tank in the description box below. They also gave me a discount code for my viewers. If you want to try Thread Tank, please use that link. The website is also listed below. Let me know if you try a tee and what you think about these super soft tees. Thank you all for joining me for another video. It's always nice to spend time with you. I have lots of boxes, so you're going to see a lot of me in the coming days. Make sure you're subscribed, tap the bell so you'll get a notification when my next video goes up.